everything gon' be alright. Taking chances every night. All you gotta do is stay strong. Don't matter if you wrong or right, everything just be just fine. All you gotta do is hold on.
What's going on, YouTube? I'm back. You already know what it is, dropping some more content. And today I ended up buying some wheels. I bought some wheels. I really just bought some fucking wheels that I really don't need. I really bought some fucking wheels that I don't need. So I'm finna show y'all what they look like, do a little review of them, show y'all what's going on with them, do a test fit on the car, and hopefully everything goes right. So what we about to do is we finna walk over to the fucking Ford Ranger. Let me get him off the truck so I can show y'all what's really going on. So here we are. Beadlocks, Forgestar D5s. I think 17 by 10s. ET Screedar and the fucking neighbor next door, her loud mouth. I'm talking about going ham. No one called the dude. Never mind. I'm gonna keep that to myself. But these wheels look pretty good. 28 by 11 and a half. 17s. Forgestar did their thing with these wheels. I really wanted the Forgestar L14s. Never really understood the beadlock process, but I guess we're gonna get to figure that out in a minute. Still not gonna understand it. So, finna get the shit box backed up on the driveway. We gonna see how this thing look aired out. Hopefully it fit. Hopefully. So I'll be back once I get everything bolted up. So yeah, got them on. And surprisingly, they went on with no issue. Other side need air. That's the only issue. Other side needs air. So what I'm about to do is, I'm gonna take that tire back off and go get some air. I'm finna air it out, just to see how the fitment is with it aired out. So, man, I'm in love. The fitment is perfect. I could actually go a bit lower in the back if I cut my bump stops, but you know how that go. Bump stops cut, ride get rough. Dang, I need some air in that tire. I'm finna go get some air, and we gonna do a little ride along so I can, you know, give a feel on these tires, since they are bias ply, and I think that's what they call it. They not the ET Screets, like Screet radio type shit. So I'm gonna let y'all know how they ride. I'm not gonna dare to drive it, and it's kind of wet out here, so man, just look at that. God, man, that thing look good. Photo shoot coming short. So at the moment, it's the next day. I got the wheels on yesterday, and I did some driving last night, but it wasn't much. I actually drove the car to work today, so, and I'm pretty surprised on how smooth it rides. I mean, I really don't see much of a difference between a bias ply and a regular tire. It has a little wobble to it once it get up in speed, but it's not much to complain about. I'm not trying to go like crazy high speed on the highway anyway. And on the way to work, mostly like 55, 60, something like that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna wrap this video up, and I'll probably be back doing some pulls. Maybe try to get a track day in next year sometime. But other than that, appreciate it. Thanks everybody for checking in, watching, and I'll be back soon.